Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you are building a website with Squarespace in 2026, adding alt text to images is not optional. It's essential for SEO, accessibility, and overall site quality. It helps search engines understand images, improves accessibility for screen readers, and boosts image SEO and rankings. Okay, so in this guide, I will show you step by step how to add alt text to images in Squarespace 2026 correctly, cleanly, and like a pro. So first thing first, log into Squarespace, open your page editor, okay. Click directly on the image. So this opens image settings, okay. So click edit or settings, okay. Find the alt text file, okay. This is where accessibility lives, okay. So good alt text should be clear and descriptive, short, natural language, relevant to the image. For example, black leather backpack on wooden table, or women using laptop in modern office. Avoid image 123, best cheap bags by now, or repeating the same alt text everywhere. So describe what you see, not what you sell. Okay, so save the image after adding alt text, click save, and exit the editor. Unsaved alt text equals not applied. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.